If you're seeing an availability status error in OneDrive on Windows 11, don't worry. It's actually a very common issue, and the good news is that in most cases, it's pretty easy to fix. These errors usually show up as a red X, syncing icon, or another warning symbol next to your files in File Explorer. And when that happens, your files may stop syncing properly between your PC and the cloud. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix File Explorer availability status error in OneDrive on Windows 11, easiest guide. By the end of this tutorial, your files should start syncing normally again. Let's jump right in. The first thing we want to do is restart OneDrive. A lot of syncing problems happen because OneDrive gets stuck running in the background, especially after a Windows update or when your computer has been running for a long time without restarting. To do this, go down to the bottom right corner of your screen where the system tray is located. Look for the small OneDrive cloud icon. Depending on your settings, it might be white or blue. If you don't see it immediately, click the little upward arrow to show hidden icons. Once you find the OneDrive icon, right-click on it. A small menu will appear. Now click the gear icon for settings and then choose Quit OneDrive. This completely closes the app and stops all syncing activity in the background. Now let's reopen it. Press the Windows key on your keyboard and type OneDrive. When it appears in the search results, click on it to launch the app again. Give it a few moments to reconnect and start syncing. Sometimes this takes a little longer depending on how many files you have stored. After OneDrive opens again, check the cloud icon one more time. If you notice a pause symbol on the icon, that means syncing is currently paused. Right-click the icon and choose Resume Syncing. This tells OneDrive to continue syncing your files normally again. Think of it like restarting your internet router when the connection acts up. Sometimes OneDrive just needs a quick refresh to get everything working properly again. Now, let's move on to another fix in case the error still appears on certain files or folders. Open File Explorer and locate one of the files showing the availability status error. Usually, you'll see a red X or syncing icon beside it. Right-click that file or folder, hover over the OneDrive option, and then click Always Keep on this device. What this does is force OneDrive to download a local copy of the file onto your computer. In many cases, this refreshes the syncing process and clears the error automatically. Here's a helpful tip. If Always Keep on this device is already enabled, try turning it off first. Wait a couple of seconds, then enable it again. This basically forces OneDrive to recheck and resync that specific file. A lot of people skip this small step, but it's actually one of the easiest ways to refresh stuck files. Another thing you should check is your internet connection. OneDrive depends on a stable connection to sync files properly, so if your Wi-Fi keeps disconnecting or running slowly, syncing errors can appear. So make sure your internet is working normally before testing OneDrive again. You can also try restarting your computer if nothing changes after these fixes. A full restart clears temporary background issues that may be interfering with syncing. For most users, these steps solve the availability status error completely. Usually, the issue is caused by a temporary sync glitch, paused syncing, or a file that simply needs to refresh. And that's it for this tutorial. Hopefully, your OneDrive files are syncing normally again, and those error icons are finally gone. If this video helped you out, make sure to leave a like because it really helps the channel. And don't forget to subscribe for more simple Windows 11 and troubleshooting tutorials. If you still have questions or OneDrive is still acting up, feel free to leave a comment below, and I'll try my best to help you out.